Alright, we're on to phase 15 of the kitchen remodel. So what I'm doing is putting in cabinets in the breakfast, what we call the breakfast nook. I guess it's actually a dining room. And then I'm going to put butcher block on top of it. So right now I'm connecting the cabinets. So, and then that one's installed. I'm using deck nails with finish washers. And then in some spots I'm using the truss screws. So that's what I'm working on today. If you like my videos, please comment, rate, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Alright, so I got the butcher block in. It's all in place. Got our pantry in. I got the power cut right now, otherwise get more light. Pantry. Got a drawer base, 18-inch drawer base. It's 24 inches. This one's 30. 2 doors in a drawer. So what I'm working on right now is moving this outlet up to above the countertop. I'll just delete this and then wire it up into the top and put a double, 2 receptacles in there. So that's where I'm at today.